Here's a quick tutorial on how to sync your Webflow site with a Git repository. This will allow you to back up your Webflow site, keep track of changes but also self-host it, and integrate it to your CI/CD pipeline. The tool we'll be using is called ExFlow.site. It allows you to fully export your Webflow site, including JavaScript, CSS, CMS content, media files, and so on. Let's get started. Head to ExFlow.site. Scroll down the form right here and type the URL of your Webflow site. Choose what you want to be included in the export and some other settings like the ability to remove the Webflow watermark banner. Click on the Export button. The export will start and a zip file of your whole Webflow site will be created. You can download the zip file and host your static site yourself if you want. Let's now enable syncing with Git. Head to your dashboard. Click on the site you want to sync. Click on Edit Settings. You can now enable the Export to Git option. You will have to type the URL to the Git repository, your username, and a personal access token that acts like a secure password. Here's how to create a personal access token in GitHub. Open your Git account. Click your profile picture and then on Settings. Choose Developer. Settings. Choose Personal Access Tokens and then Fine-Grained Access Tokens. Click on Generate New Token. Set a name, description, expiration, and select a repository you want to give access to. In the Permissions section, make sure to enable Read and Write access to the Contents permission. Click on the Generate Token. You can now copy your personal access token and use it as a password in ExFlow to sync Webflow with your Git repository. We can save the new settings. And now let's run a resync. ExFlow will now re-export the Webflow site and sync it with our Git repository. When the process is complete, we can go check the Git repo and notice that the whole site was properly exported and is now synced with Git. Note that ExFlow also allows syncing with an FTP server, an S3 bucket, or even host your Webflow site directly on ExFlow, which can save a lot in hosting fees.